Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Bear with me a little bit. I know it's windy out here, but I'm going to show you this 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT convertible. This is a real Cyclone GT convertible. It is a S-Code 390 4-speed manual transmission. This car is super rare. They made less than 2,000 of these cars. I haven't found the exact number of how many they made with a 4-speed transmission, but I'm sure it's not very many. This car has been 100% completely restored. It's kind of a little bit of a resto mod. As you can see through the wheels there, it has 4-wheel disc brakes. The car has power steering. It has MSD fuel injection on it. The paint is beautiful on this car. The body's super straight. I don't know if you'd find a nicer one anywhere in the country. This car is super nice. Very nice red interior. 4-speed transmission. Dash is in great shape. The car runs and drives spectacular. All the gauges work, all the lights work on the car. Just a gorgeous automobile. American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. You want to talk about a sweetheart of a car. Here it is, the 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT. This car, I got this car out of a private collection. Also have a 66 Ford Fairlane GT convertible with the S-Code 390 4-speed in it as well. So that car is black on black. This car, red guts, beautiful white top. White top is in great shape. I did not button that boot up all the way on this car. It needs to be stretched out a little bit. It's brand new. So I'll open the hood on this thing. I'll show you around a little bit. We're gonna have a really bad storm here pretty soon, so we're just gonna try to get this car videoed and I'll get it put away. You can check this thing out. Super nice car. MSD ignition on the car, power steering on the car, Edelbrock fuel rails. It does have an aluminum Edelbrock intake painted blue. That way it looks like it's still stock, it's still factory. What a beautiful car. Down on the bottom of the car, there's no bubbling, there's no blistering. There's one little nick in the car, little scratch, it's right there. These cars are super valuable. I'm not sure what we're going to price this car at just yet. It will not be a cheap car. Cheap things aren't good, and good things aren't cheap, everybody. So this car is absolutely 100% badass. It really is. Growing up, I was always a Chevrolet man. As I get older, I like them all. The Fords are just really super cool cars. And everything with 3 pedals in it is what I consider a real muscle car. Start this thing out. And remember, don't pump this car. It is fuel injected. Left turn, right turn. The heater works in the car. The radio works in the car. Wipers work in the car. This thing came from a very good home. Same guy had the Fairlane GT that had this car. Is gorgeous, like I say. Oh, I'm gonna have to go for a ride with this car. My buddy Jamie here works for me. He's gonna go for a ride with us in the car. We're gonna run it down the road real quick before it gets too nasty out. But if you're looking for a car like this, 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT, give us a call, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So please don't hesitate to give us a call. This car is absolutely kick-ass. Let's take it for a drive. We do have a bunch of restoration paperwork here and some information on the MSD fuel injection system, the MSD ignition. Just a bunch of paperwork here, bunch of high dollar receipts. everybody, it will burn rubber. Everybody always wants to know if they burn rubber, right?
Yep. Yes, it does.
Just like a true muscle car should. Folks, we don't beat our cars, but we do want to show you they do get on their own tracks. They do run good. The car drives excellent. This is a very high-end car, 1966 Comet Cyclone GT, a very, very rare car. And we have quality cars here at Kenyon Classic Cars. We are one of the best, biggest muscle car, collector car dealerships in the Midwest. www.kenyonauto.com, and please hit the subscribe button here on our YouTube channel and follow us on here. That way you never miss another great collector car or muscle car that we get in stock. I hope you have a great night, and please say a prayer for us here in eastern Iowa for the storms we're about to try to overcome. I really appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.